Hi everyone, it's Tim from Nuovo Homes. Today just wanted to run through a great new software program that's been made by an Australian company. Basically just wanted to let everyone know just how great it is. I'm not being paid to say this. I've used a couple of programs. I've used an American online software program, and when I saw this I kind of jumped over onto Buildxact. Obviously it's been made by Australians for Australians, and they have a number of different categories, but obviously I subscribed as a builder. Want to just show you some of the great things, because like I heard about the program but I never actually checked it out, but I want to show you some of the great things in this. Let's click on pricing. I'll show you. You can add in all your price lists. So basically, you know, everything that you price into a job, all your prices, so you get it right. I don't know about you, but I used to use a Excel spreadsheet, and I had all these pages and I'd have to go back and forth. It was very easy to sometimes accidentally miss something out that was written in your quote that wasn't in Excel. It could be $10,000 air conditioning system or something like that if you just missed one number and you submitted your wrong price and then you were out of pocket. But the great thing with this software program is whatever you click says that it's added in the final quote page. Whatever you miss out in your quote, it says it hasn't been quoted, which is also a great feature. I'll just show you here. So I can put in gold range doors. I can even add pictures, and that will come up in the quote showing me a picture of the door so the customer knows what type of door you've quoted. You can put in the exact description and then its price excluding GST. One of the things that would be great, and they're still working on this software program, is an excluding GST price and an including GST price on every single page, just because when you get paid and when you bill people, it always includes GST. That would be a great little feature, and I've told them that that would be awesome if that got added in. Let's go to an estimate so I can show you. So pretty much every time you get a new customer, you're gonna go to a new estimate. Let's have a look at this one here. First, you've got a detail page where you can put in all their contact information. Then we've got a plans and a takeoff page. This is where you can upload the plans. You can scale the plans inside the software, which is a great system. That way you can get exact measurements for how many meters squared. Provided that you've got all your costings in place, you can exactly, which is why I guess why it's called Buildxact, work out what you're doing. Now let's just go across to the Buildxact costings page. We're inside our estimate here. I'll just quickly show you. So we want to supply bricks. Now I've done supply bricks 109 square meters. We can go to the click on the takeoff tool. It pulls us back into the plans where we can color in all the windows, all the brickwork, and then we can also deduct where there's windows so that we can end up with our correct total of bricks that we've used in the job. So we accept and save that. Comes up, how much does it cost a square meter to buy bricks? We know, you know, you should be able to work that out, about 50 bricks in a square meter, $62 excluding GST. Puts up the price. On the far right here, we can add in a show. We can PC sum it, provisional sum it, and T is for task. It will task it into the schedule so that when you go to log in your chart for booking trades and stuff in, it will all be scheduled in. Now there are some other features in this quote which I don't necessarily use, which you can, over here we can go to quote requests. I haven't actually done any, I haven't used this function at all yet, where you can send out information from inside the software to get quote requests. I still kind of do that manually. Let's go back to the estimate. Okay, so after we've costed up a job and we've gone through every single item, as you can see, we can click on anything and it kind of comes down. Actually, yeah, let's show you quickly the great price list thing. So I go browse price list. Then it comes up under my air conditioning subheading. I can then click on my ducted reverse cycle. I've got a few in there that I can pick, but that's the one that these guys wanted, 15 kilowatt. I've got an exact price for that. It's PC summed, save, it's in the price. Okay. Then we've got our specifications page, where this is basically lining up everything that's going to go out in the quote letter, and it will go through here: internal, external, preliminaries, higher items. You can reorder these, so I can shift something up, so I can move termite protection higher up. Let's just put that up there. Termite protection actually should be down around about here. Let's put it there. Alright, that lines up everything. When you click on it, you can kind of see roughly what it's saying, and it's just taking the information that is already on your quote, in your estimate. Goes to a quote letter. You can then write your nice little quote letter. Now, if we want to view it, we click on print. We can actually have a quick look at the quote and how it's going to format it for us. Let's have a look. Comes up, got your letterhead, all this information that you've put in. Introduction letter, then it goes through your quote, listing out all your specifications and inclusions. Everything's been priced exactly. You can do takeoffs on all the things that you need to do takeoffs on. You can even do the takeoffs on the footings easily. You can easily go back and look at past jobs. You've saved all your pricing information there. Oh, and I've got to show you. Let's go back. That's opened up a separate page. Let's close that. All right, let's go view job now. This job hasn't been accepted here, but let's just say that it has. Okay. This is one thing that I love about it. So say we go concreting. Hang on, where do we do it? Invoicing, scheduling, costings. No, we don't want to modify our costings. Variations, invoicing. Oh geez, bear with me. I want to send a purchase order, scheduling, view estimate, view job, costing. Where do I send a purchase order? Let's go select. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So we click on the item. I go order 4 items. Now it comes up with a purchase order screen, and I can go work order. I've already got trades that work for me assigned in, that I can just click on their name, boom, comes up with all their details, and it will send a purchase order out. I can go save and send, or email it automatically to them. I can type in the job address. They'll have all the information that they need, and this will, it basically does. And then inside my purchase order, I've got all my terms and conditions, and this is what I love about the software. It's got the purchase order is linked in with the estimate. I've worked out exactly the quantities. This is what I'm requesting the work to be done. This basically forms a contract with the contractor, and this is the price that I'm agreeing to pay, which protects my price and means that I haven't got invoices coming in that I haven't authorized. So that is what, this is basically what I love about it. Easily quotes, easily estimates, all my pricing saved. Any mistakes or anything that I don't quote comes up in my letter, and it will basically say, now I can also do variations to the customer, and I can also do invoices. Deposit, I'm not sure how that got there. It's already there. It's worked it out by the looks of it. And then you can send off all your invoices and make them up. Yeah, so guys, that's basically Buildxact. If you're running a landscaping, a construction business, maybe you're a carpenter, a builder, this is a great software program. I suggest that you get on, have a go at the demo, and see the benefits that it can do for your business. Like my channel, subscribe, and I look forward to helping you guys out with some more things that builders should know. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.